This video demonstrates how to export citations from our databases directly to Noodletools, no copying and pasting required. Not all of the databases the LPC Library subscribes to have this option, but most do. We will use Biological Science, a ProQuest database, Academic Search Ultimate, an EBSCO database, and Films on Demand, an info-based database with streaming videos. The first step is to get logged into Noodletools and create a project to export the citations to. Go to the library homepage, click on Research Help, and select Noodletools. In most cases, you will need to log in with your WID and the first 6 digits of your ClassWeb PIN before Noodletools will open. Once at the Noodletools login page, log in with your Noodletools login or click Register to create an account. Once you are logged into Noodletools, create a new project by clicking New Project, give the project a name, select the citation style you need, keep the level on Advanced, and click Submit. Next, find a source in the LPC Library databases that you would like to cite or capture for use in a research project. Here's a source from the database Biological Science, which is a ProQuest database. Any of our ProQuest databases will look and work almost exactly like this. Find the Cite button to pull up the citations for the source. From there, click on the Noodletools button under Export. Click Continue. A screen with the Noodletools logo and the citation will pop up. Look towards the bottom of the screen. In most cases, since you have already logged in, you should see a message at the bottom with a pull-down menu where you can select the project that you would like to import the source to. If you do not see that message, you may need to log in again and then click on Export to Noodletools again to get the system to recognize that you are logged in. Once the system is recognizing that you are logged in and you have the project selected, click Import. The source will now be added to your sources list in Noodletools. Go to Noodletools and click on the Sources page to verify that the source was added. Let's do another one. This source is from the database Academic Search Ultimate, an EBSCO database. This database looks a bit different but follows the same process. Find the Export button, select Direct Export to Noodletools, and click Save. The Noodletools page will open to import the source. Re-log in again if needed, then select the project and import references. This next source is from a streaming video database, Films on Demand, and works very similarly. Click on the Cite button, click on Noodletools, log in again if needed, select the project, and import references. Let's go back to Noodletools and refresh the project's Sources page to view the citations. Here, verify that the sources were imported and verify that they were imported correctly. Click Edit under Options to open the citation form and double-check that the fields are completed properly and make any needed edits. Remember that this is all done by automated technology, and these imported citations often need some adjustments. If you have a source that does not have an Export to Noodletools option, like a website or an item from a library database that does not have this feature, you will need to click on Add Source, select where you found the source type, and then fill in each field that you can. Click Save to create the citation. Once you have all the sources entered into Noodletools, click on Print/Export and select one of the options to download a document ready to attach to the end of a project with your properly formatted bibliography. If you need help finding sources, creating or exporting sources to Noodletools, or other research help, just ask an LPC librarian.